Premier and Minister of Finance Dr. Orlando Smith says his visit to the Asia-Pacific region was very productive. Dr. Smith says he held a very informative meeting with Hong Kong's Director of Immigration, Eric Chan, and some of his senior officials.
Immigration is critically important to the development of the financial services sector in the BVI, and the delegation was privy to an overview of Hong Kong's world-class immigration system. I was quite impressed with the department's highly sophisticated and automated systems, which facilitate efficient immigration processing. They also allow the department unencumbered access to information about the Hong Kong population. I was also very impressed with their training programs for officers. To this end, we have been offered, and we intend to take up the opportunity to receive assistance in helping BVI to develop our own world-class immigration system. Our visit also included a meeting with Mr. John Chanwa, the Financial Secretary of Hong Kong, to discuss the continuing evolution of offshore centers in Asia and other crucial issues related to offshore and midshore financial centers, as well as room for mutual collaboration. As a follow-up to the two MOUs signed in January, my delegation and I visited Shenzhen and discussed the implementation and operationalization of the MOUs. The developments of Shenzhen are remarkable. I was proud that through our BCs, the BVI played a critical role in their development. I'm looking forward to the BVI working with Shenzhen to explore opportunities for the BVI, for example, development planning, transshipment, and financial services.
The Premier's Asia visit coincides with the first anniversary of the opening of the BVI House Asia in Hong Kong and the 30th anniversary of the International Business Companies IBC Act, the innovative legislation which has positioned the Virgin Islands as a leading global financial services jurisdiction. The Premier says the BVI has a good reputation in the Asian market, adding that BVI is a preferred destination for Asian business.
We have been working in cooperation working with Asia for the past 30 years. We have established a very good reputation in Asia. In fact, the BVI, as far as financial services go, is the preferred destination for Asian business. We see that continue to grow because we see Asia, the developing Asia continue to rise. We see Asia basically continuing to develop into one of the, their wealth continue to grow in Asia. And therefore more opportunities will arise, which BVI can take advantage of. The reason why BVI can take advantage of new opportunities because of the increasing wealth in the region is because BVI has established a presence for over 30 years. The Asian community are comfortable with the BVI company structure and are quite willing to continue to use it.
The BVI has been working with Asian businesses since the 1980s and is uniquely positioned through the use of BVI structures to further facilitate economic growth across the region, drawing on the BVI's deep experience and mature infrastructure in Asia.